Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes, day 11, chemistry assignment, 9th class, topic nomenclature of the organic compounds according to IUPAC system. So our first question is, what is the correct way to give the numbering to the below compound? CH3, CH, this is fluorine, CH2, CH bromine, CH3. Then according to rule 1, we have to select the longest continuous chain. Longest possible continuous chain. That means we have to select the longest possible chain with more number of carbon atoms. So see here, I am writing the compound again. CH3, CH, fluorine, CH2, CH, bromine, CH3. So here our longest possible chain is this one. It is our longest possible chain. Next, coming to here, we have to give the numbering. These two are known as the substituents. So two different substituents are present. Then we have to allot the numbering to the substituents based on the alphabetical order. These are not a functional rules. These all comes under the prefix. Nothing but branch or substituents. So we will write as a secondary prefix. So we have to give the numbering from any side, okay, left to right or right to left. But while giving the numbering, the substituents should be get the priority of numbering according to their alphabetical order. So see here, this is the first method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you write down here branch, what is the name of the substituents? Bromo, Br, bromo. If you write here fluoro. See here, what is the correct alphabet? It is the letter F, here letter B. So it is the correct method. And second method, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we allot the numbering, here bromine getting the fourth number. If we allot the from right to left, bromine getting the second carbon. So it is the correct way to give the numbering. That means, can you say what is the name of this compound? 2 bromo, 4 fluoropentane. 2 bromo, 2 bromo, 4 fluoro. How many carbons there? 5 carbons there. What is the root word? Pent. So what is the suffix? Primary suffix. All single bonds now. Then we have to allot the M. So 2 bromo, 4 fluoropentane. So our second question is, what is the IUPAC name of the following compound? CH3, 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 CH3. See here, first we have to select the longest possible chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So maximum number of carbons we are getting 4. So I am taking this as a main chain. Then second point is, we have to allot the numbering. While giving the numbering, here we no need to worry, all are the same branch or same side chain. So all are methyl groups only. Then while giving the numbering, here we have to see the lowest sum rule also. We have to follow the lowest sum rules. Suppose see here, first if I give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Now according to lowest sum rule, branching position 2 plus 3 plus 3. Here total we are getting 8. If you allot the numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, what we are getting? 2 plus 3. Then we are getting 7. So according to lowest sum rule, second method of numbering is correct one. Then coming to the name of this compound, first we have to write the branch. See here 2, 2. 2 times the methyl group, and on the third carbon also methyl group there. Third carbon also methyl group there. 2, 2, 3. Same group repeating 3 times. Then we allot the word try. 2, 2, 3, trimethyl. Total carbons here 4. Trimethyl. What will be the primary suffix? A. No double bonds, no triple bond, no functional group also. So it comes under the alkanes butane. So the name of this compound is 2,2,3 trimethyl butane. Third question, give the correct numbering order and name for this compound. CH3, CH, CH3, CH, C2H5, CH2, CH3. So here C2H5 the ethyl group, expand this also. Then we can write CH3, CH, CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. Then CH2, CH3. Then we have to select the longest possible chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is our longest possible chain. Then numbering, 2 methods are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here according to lowest sum rule, position of the substance 2. Here position of substance 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then second method of numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here according to lowest sum rule, branching position 2 plus 3, 5. Then if we go like this, 2 plus 4, here we will get the 6. So it is the correct way to give the numbering, because both the branches are getting less number as well as following the lowest sum rule. Now coming to the name of this compound, it is methyl group, it is ethyl group. So according to alphabet you will write the prefix also. The name of this compound is 3-ethyl 2-methyl. Total how many carbons there? 5. So what is the root word? Pent. How many single bonds becomes what? Pentane. 3-ethyl 2-methyl pentane. Fourth question, what is the exact name of this compound? So here we will write the once again compound CH3, CH, CH3, C, CH3, Cl, CH3. First we will select the longest possible chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 carbons. So it is our longest possible chain. Next, coming to the numbering. The first method 1, 2, 3, 4. Right to left. Here apply the lowest sum rule. 2 plus 3. Here why I wrote the 2 times. 1, 2 indicates the methyl group. Second one indicates the chloro group. 2 plus 3. Total here we are getting 7. And second procedure 1, 2, 3, 4. Here lowest sum rule. 2 plus 3 plus 3. Here we will get 8. So according to lowest sum rule, this numbering is the correct one. And one more thing, when you compare the substituents, the methyl group alphabet order M, chloro group alphabetical order C. It should be at the least number as possible as. So it is the numbering, it is the correct one. Then the name of the compound will be, first we will write the alphabetical chloro, 2 chloro and methyl group, second position and third position. 2 chloro, 2 comma 3 dimethyl. Total how many carbons there? 4 carbons. So what is the root word? But. No double bond, no triple bonds. So what will be the primary suffix? A. So 2 chloro, 2 comma 3 dimethyl butane.